What's happening, YouTube? Today we're going to talk about the differences between the Fly More combo kits for the DJI Mavic Pro and the Mavic 2 Pro. We'll also talk about the differences between the bags, what you can put in the bags, and what's in the box. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with the Fly More combo for the Mavic Pro. Just try to get this open with one hand. There we go. So as you can see, everything is nicely laid out and arranged inside the box. So you get the battery charging hub. It also comes with the car charger. You get not one, but two spare batteries, the intelligent flight batteries. You also get extra props for your Mavic. And then the last thing in the box is this battery to power bank adapter. So that gives you more charging capabilities. We'll go ahead and put these back in here. I like the way DJI has put all of these things in one box. Nice packaging, very nice. So we'll set that to the side. And here is the combo kit for the Mavic 2. As you can see, it comes with extra props. Right there. Those are the extra props you get. And it comes with the bag. It comes with the charging bank. What you'll find is the same things that came in the first one come in the second one. It's just a little different with some of the how they are put together. So this right here is for your charge to charge your batteries. So just like with the Mavic Pro, you have your hub where you can charge multiple batteries at once. The same thing for the Mavic 2. You can see you can have 1, 2, 3, 4 batteries going at the same time. And then that's where your charger connects. So that's different than the other one, the original Mavic. It has this square. Oh, let me get that out of the way. Sorry. It has this square block where you can also charge 4 batteries simultaneously. Well, it doesn't charge them all at the same time. It chooses the battery that has the most juice and then charges that one first. It does not charge all 4 at once. Same thing for the Mavic 2. It only charges 1 battery at a time. So it also comes with 2 batteries. We get back to the box. What's in the box? Yeah, your 2 batteries. And then it also comes with some accessories. So in this bag right here, you have, it's hard to see, but those are extra sticks for your controller. And then you have a variety of cables that come with the drone. Now these items are not in the box, I'm sorry. But this is also what comes with the drone. Then you have your charging cable, other cables, you have an adapter. So it comes with everything you need to use an Apple device, an Android device, you know, Samsung, LG, whatever you have going on. And then here's your car adapter, your car charger. Plug that into your auxiliary or cigarette lighter. Yeah, and that's for your car. So that's everything that comes in the box for the Mavic 2 and for the Mavic 2. I'm sorry, for the Mavic Pro. All right, so let's take a look at the bags. Get these boxes out of the way. Look at the differences between the bags. So there's your bag for the Mavic 2. Whoa, almost lost my camera there. And then there's a bag for the Mavic Pro. You can tell there the Mavic 2, the bag for the Mavic 2 is a little bigger than the bag for the Mavic Pro, and that's because the drone is a little bigger. But if you look at the fronts, you have your zipper in the front. Both bags have straps, the shoulder straps. Both bags have the handles. That one says Mavic 2. That one just says Mavic. So both bags feel pretty good. They both Velcro in the front to keep everything nice and secure. Then you turn them to the side. You can see you have your zipper for your front pouch. You have some storage space on the sides. We'll turn them on the side again. You got more storage space on the other side. All right. And then we'll flip the flaps up. So then that's your storage in the front of the Mavic 2 bag. And then for the, sorry, I'm trying to one-hand this setup. And then there's storage for the original Mavic. So we'll take a look inside the bags, see what the differences are. So you can tell that they're laid out the same way. You have more storage space in the top lid for both with both bags. And then here's a look inside the bag for the Mavic Pro. And then here's a look inside the bag for the Mavic 2. So the main difference between these is, so you have this compartment here on the right side, which is for your drone. And then on the left side, down in there, you can see there's space there. But then this piece pushes down. So in the very bottom, you'll put one battery, and then you put another battery here, and then you'll put your controller in there. So let's say I have one battery already down at the bottom, and then the controller would fit in like that. And you can remove the sticks on the controller and put them on the controller, but that's comparing the two drones. So with the bag for the Mavic Pro, the original, you have space just for one battery, and then you would have your drone go on the other side. So one thing that I usually do is you can put two batteries right here in the front and zip that up real nice. So then you have your controller and you have your drone in there. No, I'm sorry, I said you could put a battery in here, but actually there's no room for that because you'll have your controller on one side and your drone on the other. And then you have your two batteries in the front. And then if you use a cell phone, you can use some of the side, you can use the side storage for that. And then up here in the storage area for the tops, you can put extra cables, extra props, any small accessories up there. And then you also have a little room with both bags. So kind of give you an idea, you can put your fingers in there. And we'll fold this one over for the Mavic, the original Mavic Pro. I can get my fingers in there just like with the Mavic 2, but it's a little smaller, not as much space. not as much room. So again, the bag is a little smaller, but overall both bags feel really good. That's falling over because I have the batteries in there. Both bags feel really good, and they're comfortable to carry. They're about the size of a camera bag. So all you Mavic owners, you already know how big the drone is, and it's just like carrying around, you know, like a point shooter or something like that. So it doesn't take up a whole lot of space. Let's take a look at the bottom of the bag. So this one is kind of textured a little bit, and so is this one. So again, overall, the bags are pretty much identical. This one is gray, this one is black, and other than the sizing, they're really the same. So I will say the thing I really like about the bag for the Mavic 2 is how they did this compartment inside here. I thought that was well done, where you can get your batteries in the bag, and then you still make use of this front area here where you can keep your charger or extra props, however you want, whatever you want to put in there. It gives you more storage for you to carry everything you need. And like I said, you can take your device, if you're using a cell phone, you can put that on the side and be good to go. So I don't know if the bag is big enough to hold the new controller for the Mavic 2, because I don't own one. So if I get one, I will definitely let you guys know if it will fit in the bag. So this is Chris. I'm signing off. Let me know if you have any questions, or hit me up in the comments if you have any questions. Otherwise, smash that like button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.